Hello my artist, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a painting related to my last video. So before starting this video, make sure you watch my last video. Also, if you feel my videos are helpful for you, then please do subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will not miss my upcoming new videos. Here I am doing the first layer of the mountain with blue, purple and white. Then in that color only add little more blue and I'll paint the second layer. Then take some more blue and the third layer. And lastly a slight touch of black and blue color. With the help of toothbrush I'll spray little white color to give a starry touch and then a big moon. So friends, we are almost here to done with a simple night scenery.